Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? Bring y'all along. It'll be all in time lapse because where I'm having to do is next to an air conditioner and I don't want it cutting on and off during the video. The first tractor I built, I never really topped it out. I just put a tarp on it. Well, I left it, there's a gap about that big. And for the last week, I've been chasing chickens at least twice a day. Last night I was chasing 2, so I'm gonna fix that today. Bring y'all along for that. Tell y'all something I've learned about all this. Building infrastructure. It's expensive. It's expensive. I need, right now, 5 more cattle panels. And that's like $130. Well, I thought I was gonna get a YouTube check this week, but I was about $5 short of it. I was planning on getting it with that and a little extra I got saved up. So it'll probably be July. Maybe it'll be a little bit bigger then and I can get everything I need. And I'm trying to get a hog pen built. I'm trying to extend this original pen that's over here with the ducks and turkeys, and then I'm gonna put a top on it when I get it extended, where I can move the guineas in it in a couple weeks. I may have to buy that and just get the 2 cattle panels to do it out of my check. I was trying to just, everything I spent here come from YouTube, but that's not really working. And I know y'all are pissed, y'all ain't seen many fishing videos. It was 104 degrees yesterday. It's gonna be 104, 105 today. Unless I'm out fishing right now, it's just not gonna happen. And I've got so much going on early in the mornings, it's kind of hard to do. But I got a trip planned either Monday or Wednesday next week with Mr. Eddie. And I may go catfishing Friday morning. As long as I'm back by noon, I can do everything the night before and just, I got one set I gotta water every 30 minutes. But other than that, I'll be good. The rabbits are kind of hard to kept up with. I have got a couple more cages, a couple more feeders. Got to put everything to work. Got to get that carport cleaned out. That's gonna have to wait for some days when it cools off. As soon as I get it cleaned out, I'm gonna start building the actual hen house too. I just want to let y'all know what was going on. Y'all probably, I'm filming this on Wednesday. Y'all probably see it Sunday. You're gonna see a video before it on Thursday that I'm gonna film on Thursday and put out on Thursday. I hate doing that, but that's how it's gonna happen. Because I don't have everything I need to film it till after lunch today. And by then it'll be too hot to run a camera. And this camera will not stay running when it's 100 degrees outside. It'll run about 5 minutes and cut off. Alright, well I'm finna bring y'all on. It's hot, y'all know it. Got to have it. Okay, it's done. It's not pretty, but you can look at me. It is 7:19 in the morning. I'm soaked. Look like I've been swimming. I still got to water everything. Still got to, I think about all I got to feed the rabbits. Everything else is food full. Water everything. Do all that. That's just a daily thing. I generally get up before daylight and do most of that. But I knew I was going to film this. Alright. This is a point I want to make. Don't make fun of people, because eventually you'll do what they're doing. I always made fun of people with zip tied cages together. That whole big pen zip tied together, and I had to zip tie all that on there because the hog ring pliers would not get in there and do it without that I didn't cut a little square here and a little square there, and I wasn't gonna do that. So, lesson learned. Homesteaders might know no more than I do. I always made fun of them when I seen them build a pen and put them down zip ties on there. Oh my God, it's not permanent. But as I figured out as I go, nothing I do is permanent. We're changing it every day. So that's a good idea. Black zip ties are UV protected and will last a couple years. So I did study that up a little bit. Alright, I hope y'all like this little short cringy ass video. I'll be glad when the summer gets over with, but yesterday was the first day of summer. And it was 102, 103 degrees. It's gonna be 102, 103 degrees today. Hey y'all, it's hot in Texas, but it ain't never this hot early. Not very often. Once every 10 years. And I forgot about it. Somebody had to remind me that, yeah, like 2013 was like this. And then I remember I was working in the oil field and I fell out one day and like I died from it. So y'all stay cool. Plenty of hydration when you're out in it. Better if it's cold to me, but it may not be to y'all. Don't drink beer. That's a sucker's game. And we go.